Are you tired of playing hide and seek with your light switches? Ready to upgrade your home to the 21st century without breaking a sweat? Or the bank? Say goodbye to fumbling in the dark and hello to the magic of smart switches. These nifty gadgets not only make your lighting smarter, but also give you the power to control your home with just a tap or a voice command. Whether you're a tech novice or a gadget guru, we've rounded up the best smart switches that'll have you flipping lights like a pro. Get ready to brighten your home, literally. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video? Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Kasa Smart HS200, our pick for best budget smart switch. Looking to jazz up your home's lighting game? Meet the Kasa Smart Switches, your new dimmer friends that play nice with Alexa and Google Assistant. They're like the friendly neighbor who always helps with your light dilemmas, minus the awkward small talk. Sure, they're simpler than a Tinder profile with just one picture, but their star feature is the away mode. Just picture it, your lights flickering on and off like you're hosting a lively soiree, when in reality, you're curled up on the couch binge-watching your favorite show. Who knew being home alone could look so exciting? While Kasa Smart adds a sprinkle of tech magic to your life, it's not without its quirks. Some users say it feels a bit cheap, and if you hit a snag, you might find Kasa's customer service isn't exactly the golden ticket you'd hope for. And let's not forget, you'll need a neutral wire for these bad boys, a detail that could leave your charming vintage home in the dark. But hey, if you're after smart light switches that don't break the bank, these little wonders are worth a shot. Tame your lights without going broke. It's the smart way to shine. Number 4. Philips Hue Smart Dimmer, our pick for best smart switch for Philips Hue lights. Are you stepping into the world of Philips Hue lighting? Whether your home is already a gleaming beacon of smart tech or you're just dipping your toes in, let me introduce you to a game changer. This fabulous wireless switch. It's so renter-friendly, it practically comes with an "I'm not a permanent fixture" badge. Simply slap it on the wall with its sticky backing or stick it to metal surfaces with its magnetic charm. But wait, it gets better. This remote-style switch isn't just a pretty face. It snugly pops out of its switch plate, giving you the freedom to control your lights from wherever you fancy, while maintaining the aesthetic piece at home. With dimming options and temperature tuning, you can craft the perfect mood for any occasion, or just to binge-watch your favorite show in the right light. Sure, it's a no-brainer for anyone with Philips Hue already connected, thanks to that trusty Hue bridge of yours. Picture this. You can control your smart lights while your partner keeps their beloved toggle switches intact. And guests, they'll be less bewildered than at a 5-star restaurant's menu. With brilliant ease of installation and a stellar performance record, you'll wonder why you didn't switch sooner. Still searching for the perfect smart switch? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. SwitchBot Smart, our pick for best universal smart switch. Meet the SwitchBot, your new tiny sidekick in the battle against manual labor. This pint-sized robot arm isn't just any gadget. It's your personal button pusher, ready to tackle those pesky switches lurking around your home. Sure, setting it up can feel a bit like playing Operation with a toothpick. That arm is small, but once you've mastered the art of positioning, you're golden, especially with those standard single-gang light switches. But why stop at just lights? With a little creativity, your bot can turn into a mini superhero for all kinds of devices: fans, heaters, lamps, and air conditioners, you name it. If it powers on with a press, consider it fair game for your new robotic roommate. Think of the convenience. Control everything from your smartphone or voice commands, even if it looks like you've assembled a quirky army of bots marching through your home. And here's the real magic. They're schedulable. Yes, you can program them to turn things on and off like having your own personal butler. Just a heads up, to unlock voice control, you'll need the SwitchBot Hub, sold separately of course. But trust us, once you've embraced your inner tech-savvy wizard, the aesthetic won't matter. You'll be too busy enjoying your liberated lifestyle. Number 2. Philips Hue Wireless, our pick for best smart switch for simplicity. The Philips Hue Smart Button is your new best friend in the world of smart lighting, because who needs a million remotes when you can just press a button? This clever little device is packed with features you didn't know you needed. With a mere tap, you can transform your living room from "I just woke up" blue to "Welcome to my soiree" warm hues. But wait, there's more! A quick press cycles through your favorite scenes, so whether you're channeling your inner disco diva or unwinding with soft, cozy lighting, this button's got your back. And when it's time to head out, a long press can either dim your lights to a romantic glow or make them disappear altogether. Perfect for making a swift exit or pretending you never left your couch. Now let's talk about the design. Sleek and classy, just like you. The Smart Button sticks to its magnetic wall plate like a pro, and you've got options. Attach the square plate or go compact with the circular one. Both adhere with trusty adhesive strips or can be screwed in for those who take their button placement seriously. So go ahead, make your life easier and your home a bit more magical. Grab the Smart Button and let it do the thinking for you. Because we all know pressing buttons is way more fun than walking over to the switch. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Lutron Caseta Smart, our pick for best smart switch overall. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate smart light switch, look no further than Lutron. Sure, relying on a hub might feel like adding another expense to your smart home shopping spree, but trust us, it's worth it. Why? Because installation and setup are smoother than your morning coffee. Wired for single-pole bliss, it can effortlessly transform into a 3-way switch with the help of a Lutron Pico remote. And let's not forget its prowess in responding to the magic words. Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, you know the drill. But wait, there's more. This 120-volt wonder doesn't just control lights. It's got your ceiling and exhaust fans covered too. Whether you're rocking LEDs, incandescents, or halogens, this switch takes it all in stride. The Lutron app is a treasure trove of features like geofencing, lights on when you enter, fancy right? Scheduling, and mood-setting scenes. It plays nicely with top-tier smart home companions like Sonos and Samsung SmartThings. Plus, guess what? You can even control your lighting from your Apple Watch. Cue the futuristic vibes. Sure, the app could use a sprinkle of two-factor authentication for added security, and a Pico remote or Caseta Smart Bridge is an extra coin to consider. But hey, investing in a seamless, integrated smart lighting experience might just make you the envy of your neighborhood. Go on, light up your life! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best smart switch. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which smart switch you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.